White eggplants are native to India and Bangladesh and have been cultivated since ancient times. They were then spread to Asia and Europe via trade routes. The small or mini-sized white eggplant variety is believed to have originated in southern Italy. Today, white eggplants can be found in specialty grocers and farmer markets in Asia, Europe, and the United States. White eggplants have been traditionally used in Asian medicine dating back to 1330. White mini eggplants are egg-shaped, bushy, about 2-3 feet across, and its best flavor is picked at the size of about a jumbo egg. Perfect variety for growing in pots, perfect if you have limited space or to grow something original and different on the balcony or in containers on the patio. Full bright sun, at least 6 hours per day, and consistent moisture is important for growing healthy eggplants. Keep the soil moist with deep, slow waterings weekly or more often during the dry weather. Eggplants need about 1 inch of water per week, but if the soil feels dry and the weather is hot, add more water. If you amended the soil before planting, you won't need to give your eggplants additional fertilizer. Eggplants can be made into soups, pureed, stewed, stuffed, fried, pickled, cooked whole, used in salads, slices dipped in batter or drizzled with olive oil, and grilled or roasted. Great for hors d'oeuvres, kebabs, and other eggplant dishes. White eggplants are high in potassium and also offer some B vitamins, magnesium, and copper. Rich source of dietary fiber, helps regulate smooth bowel movements, lowers blood cholesterol and blood sugar levels. The flavonoid nasunin in eggplants has high levels of antioxidant properties and is known to be a scavenger of free radicals, thus protecting the cells of the body. Nasunin is also known for its ability to protect the fat surrounding the cell membrane of the brain. The chlorogenic acid it contains is known to be the most potent antioxidant that displays antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-tumor abilities and plays an important role in the prevention of many diseases.